Thank you, Dr. Prida. The next recipient is Detective Yves Dambreville. Yves Dambreville is highly visible within the community as an activist, and he has also provided leadership for many of the community-based organizations. He has worked diligently with many groups such as the Mattapan Dorchester Community Collaborative, Mattapan Civic Association, the Mattapan Board of Trade, the Mattapan Community Council, the Greater Mattapan Healthy Boston Coalition, the Caribbean Cultural Center, the Haitian Cultural Committee, and of course, Tele Kreyol. Yves is an individual who is always concerned about the quality of life in the community and will stop at nothing short of ensuring that issues and concerns of the community are addressed and brought to public attention. His segments on Tele Kreyol were all dedicated to educating the community, especially our teenagers who are facing social issues on a daily basis. Yves has also been a great help in locating funds for Tele Kreyol. He is also referred to as Brother Yves Dambreville.
Papi, avant que me dise deux mots, c'est que Joe chéri dit me fait le coup parce que le docteur Prida prend tout le temps. Qui fait, nous va comprendre pour quelle raison que fait ça que me dit dans la tête, même m'ta dit non, m'pas pas dire non. But I like to take this opportunity to say congratulations to Tele Kreyol. I think Tele Kreyol is a vital, a vibrant, a very important part of this community. Without Tele Kreyol, the Haitian community will not be in the front burner. Never forget that. That was the first, the only TV station or TV program who brought to us what's going on abroad, what's going on in the city, what's going on in Haiti, and what's going on across the diaspora. I'm very honored to be part of Tele Kreyol. I'm very honored to be acknowledged this evening. On behalf of my family, which is they're right there, my daughters, Ingrid, Nafisa, and Takrim, I want to say thank you and good night. I love you all.